Hi guys, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel Leela Web Dev. In this video, if I will see how we can handle the answer for this one. So now here we are showing the question and also we are showing list of all the options. So here what the question is, what is the largest planet on our solar system? So that is nothing but Jupiter is the correct answer. So when the user selects the wrong answer, so we need to show a red color over this one and we need to show the green color for this correct answer. So how we can do this one? Let's try to do it. So here, whenever we are trying to show, let's go to the app.js. So here I will try to get new answer. So whenever the user selects, so I will try to get the new answer. So if he selects here like this, so I need to get a new answer. So fine. Let's go to the options. Okay. So this is our options and this is our question. Right. So let's try to pass the entire question instead of passing only the options to this one. So we will pass the entire question to here. Why? Because we need some data here. So let's try to get the question, and here also I will do question dot options. Right? So everything is working fine. Now here, so whenever the user clicks on this one, so I need to dispatch the correct answer. So the correct answer means not the correct answer. The user selected answer, I need to dispatch it. So for this one, we need to dispatch the code. So dispatch, we need to send the dispatch as a props to the question. So here, let's try to send the dispatch is equal to dispatch. I am trying to send the dispatch. And here in the question, we will catch the dispatch. And we will pass the same dispatch here. Dispatch is equal to dispatch. I am passing the dispatch also. Now if you go to the options.js, we got the dispatch. Okay. And here I need to dispatch the correct answer. So there is nothing but dispatch of type new answer. Okay. And the payload is option. So that whatever the option the user is trying to select, so we are trying to send it. So this new answer, we need to add it in our switch case. So here I will add it. Oh, where is this one gone? Yeah, here. So case new answer. So this could be case new answer. So I need to return the state. Okay, whichever the state we are having, we need to return the state. And here I need to return the answer. New answer, we need to capture it. So that is nothing but action.payload. Action.payload. So that's it, we got the answer. So now when the user clicks on this one, so dispatch is not a function. Why is that? So let's try to refresh this page. Sorry, let's close this one. I'll save it again. Let's refresh this page and click on this one. So this time this one is working fine. Let's go to the console, and here we will go to the console. So there is no errors. And here in our components, if you try to see the app, and in our reducer, if you see here, so new answer we got it Jupiter, whatever the user is trying to select. So here earth, if I select, means earth has been changed to earth. So everything we are able to get the correct not the correct answer, the user what the answer he has selected. Now according to the user what he has selected, we need to show whether it is a correct answer or not. So for this correct answer, if you see here in our inspect element in our console, so the object, if you try to see, the correct answer is Jupiter. So here you will be able to see the correct answer. So let's try to take that correct answer. Constant correct answer is equal to question dot correct answer. Okay. So this is our correct answer. So whenever this correct answer is there, so that means I need to add some class to this one. So class, let's remove this one and I will add something like a template literal btn hyphen option, and I want to add an extra one, that is nothing but dollar, like this I will add it. So if the correct answer, okay, if the correct answer, so whatever the correct answer is equal to option. Okay. So if it is an option, okay, if the correct answer is equal to option, so whatever the correct answer is there, then I need to add a class correct, or otherwise I leave it as an empty. So that's it. So let's try to refresh this page and let's start. So here we are able to see, and if I click, okay, correct answer is equal to option, everything is correct. And if I click on this earth, so we are able to see the correct class has been applied. So I am thinking that correct class has been applied. So let's try to apply the CSS for this one, app.css. I am trying to take the app.css. So here whenever the correct answer is there, then I need to apply a background color of something like light green. Okay, so like this light green I want to apply. Now if you try to see here, light green has been applied to this one. So fine. So let's click on the let's start. So before selecting the user, still that this one is showing as a green one. So after the user has selected particular answer, then only we need to show the correct answer. So this one is wrong. So now what I need to do? So here I need to send the new answer. So here to the dispatch, new answer, right? Answer is equal to new answer. I am trying to send the new answer to this one. And here in our question, we will catch this new answer. And here we need to pass this one to here also. New answer is equal to new answer. But here this one is not defined. Why? Because so here in our like this. So we need to add the new answer. Okay, we have added it. Now let's go to the options. New answer is not defined. Why it is not defined? New answer is equal to new answer. Okay. Yeah, it's working fine. Options. So we got the new answer here. Okay. So the new answer is nothing but the user, what the user has selected. So now we need to check that whether the user has answered or not. So has answered, whether the user is answered means then new answer will not be equal to null. So that means then only the user is answered. So in our app.js also new answer at the first time it will be null only. Fine. And here in our options.js this will be little bit tricky. So if the user has answered ampersand, okay, then correct answer is equal to means so has answered. So we'll try to take this one and we'll try to paste it here. Yeah, at the first time when you try to see this time, so you will not see the correct answer. The correct answer is Jupyter. So for some reason the user has selected Earth as the answer. So now we are displaying the correct answer as Jupyter. So now green color is coming. But the user has selected Earth as the wrong answer, right? So now the user what he has selected, we need to show it in a red color. So for this what we need to do is, if has answered is there, okay. So here what I will do is, has answered is there, then here if it is correct and all those things, then I need to show it like this. Yeah. If the user has answered, then correct answer is equal to option, then it is correct. Or otherwise then it is what I can say, we'll keep it as a wrong. We'll see what will happen. So now if you go into here, let's start. So I clicked on the red. So we have not did anything, right? So let's try to write the for the wrong one also. We will see background color as red. Okay. Now all the things are coming red color. So this should not happen. Only the user has selected only the Earth as the wrong answer. Only the Earth has to come red color. So here this should not be wrong. So then what you need to do is here again you need to write in such a way that new answer the user selected. So whatever the user has selected, new answer is equal to option is there. Then you need to add the wrong. Okay, or otherwise you can display it like this. So if you want, you can also add it at the bottom. So now we are able to see Earth is the only red color. Now if I try to refresh this page, so when I click on this Jupyter, so fine, the user what he has selected and the correct answer is also Jupyter, fine. Let's go to again switch. I clicked on the Mars. So the user what he has selected Mars is wrong. The correct answer is Jupyter. We are trying to show it. So now we are successfully able to display these all things. So when the user has selected, and now I need to show the next option. So here I need to show the next button. So then the user can click on the next button. Or otherwise if you want, you can also disable the all the buttons from preventing the user from selecting again. And you can do it like disable thing also, you can add it. So we'll do it in the next video. And we need to show the next message here, and also we need to give the points to this one. Why? Because we have a points also. So we are giving the user points also. If the user has selected correct answer means, so we will be allotting him the 10 points. If the user has selected wrong answer, just like the previous one, Mars he has selected it, now the points will not be allotted and he will go to the next option. So that's it guys about this one. Hope you understood about the concept. So I will commit this code in a new branch, that is video-90. Now here handling the answers, handling answers. Okay. So here I am committing this code. So whoever may be having doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video. And if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.